degrees right here, right now. It's supposed to be 20 degrees today. As you can see, I'm getting everything done on the floor here. Last wall. The door will go right here. I'm creating that. Got this header ready, 41 inches for the door. It'll be a nice tight fit, but that's really what you want. That does the trick perfectly. Same thing on this side. This clamp is what's going to keep it in place. Otherwise, it's going to fall straight forward. Nice and flush. coming along. I'm in a t-shirt. It's perfect. It's just the perfect temperature right now. Breeze, t-shirt, no mosquitoes. I brought in just now these are 2x8s. So here's what I've managed to do. Getting up on my ladder, secured one 2x4x12 and another 2x4x12. I secured it to above the header of the window here, and I braced it with another small piece just below it, just as a fail-safe. I did another one over here. Now I'm going to put a piece of plywood or OSB on the top, and I have my first piece of scaffolding so that I can work and create the ceiling. Where there is nothing right here, there will be soon. Thanks for joining me on this incredible and frequently unknown journey as I build the cabin of my dreams on my very own private and secluded 40 acres in the beautiful northern Canadian wilderness. Please hit the like button and consider subscribing so that you can be notified when any new videos are released. Until then, the future is unknown, and I'll see you there.